Here's a pair of the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a TCL smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is let's put these earbuds in pairing mode. Okay, so both the buds are in a case. Let me open up the lid. You'll know it's in pairing mode if the light here is blinking white, 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 or you'll hear a pairing chime. Okay, but I don't get no chime and I get a solid white light here. And then it goes off. The reason is because I'm connected to one of my phones. So for myself, let me manually put this in a pairing mode, okay? So both the earbuds are in a case. There's a button right here. I'm gonna press and hold till it starts blinking white here. Button right here, press and hold, keep holding, wait. Now it's blinking white and you also hear the pairing chime. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and shoot over to our TV and go directly to the settings in our TCL TV. If you have the settings button remote, you can go that way. If not, just navigate to the home page. Click on the home button on the remote and then just navigate to the setting, the gear icon all the way up to the right. Move over right there, settings, select OK on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there at the bottom. OK on the remote. And then we're going to select the first one that says add accessory. Okay, now you can see I have another pair of headphones and earbuds, the AirPods Pro and the JBL, that was paired to this this TV, but we're going to go ahead and pair and connect these Powerbeats right now. So we're going to tap on add accessory. And that's just saying make sure it's in pairing mode, like okay. So add accessory, oops, and let's go to okay. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, okay? These are still in the pairing mode. Sometimes if you wait too long, the pairing mode will stop and you have to redo it, okay? But anyway, it's still in pairing mode. Let's see if it finds it here. It's my first time connecting to this TCL TV here. Okay, it's taking a little long here. So let me do this. Let me just go ahead and click on the back button and I'm gonna rescan from the TV here. Add accessory again. We're gonna do it and go to OK here. Okay, it's still in the pairing mode here, still blinking white here. Now it should pop up here. Ah, there you go. It finally showed up. Powerbeats Pro. It's already highlighted. I'm going to OK on the remote. It says pairing. You get a pairing request here. So we're going to select pair. Connecting. It says paired. And you hear the connecting chime on there as well. And you can see it says connected down there under Powerbeats Pro. So there you go, pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.